Robot vacuum cleaners are becoming one of the most useful smart home devices for keeping your house clean with minimal effort. Instead of spending time sweeping or mopping every day, these intelligent machines can automatically clean floors, carpets, and corners while you relax. Modern robot vacuums now come with powerful suction, smart LiDAR navigation, obstacle detection, and even mopping functions. Many models also feature self-emptying stations, long battery life, and smartphone control for convenient scheduling. In this video, we'll explore 5 impressive robot vacuum cleaners that offer powerful cleaning performance, smart automation, and convenient hands-free operation for maintaining a spotless home. Number 1. MAMNV Robot Vacuum. The D13S Max Robot Vacuum delivers powerful 3-in-1 cleaning by vacuuming, sweeping, and mopping at the same time. With an ultra-strong 11,500 Pascal suction power, it easily removes pet hair, crumbs, and dust from both carpets and hard floors. Its advanced LiDAR navigation system scans your home and creates detailed maps for precise movement and efficient cleaning. Users can create no-go zones, schedule cleaning routines, and target specific areas through the Smart app. The large, self-emptying base station automatically collects dust after each cleaning session and can hold debris for several weeks. With up to 160 minutes of runtime and features like Carpet Auto Boost and Edge Cleaning, it provides thorough and convenient home cleaning. Number 2. Roborock Qrevo Series Robot Vacuum. The Roborock QV35A robot vacuum provides impressive cleaning performance with its powerful 8,000 Pascal Hyperforce suction system. It easily removes stubborn dirt, pet hair, and debris from carpets, rugs, and hard floors. The advanced docking station automatically empties dust into a sealed bag, refills water for mopping, washes the mop pads, and dries them after cleaning. Its reactive obstacle avoidance technology detects furniture, cables, and other objects to prevent interruptions while cleaning. Dual spinning mopping pads rotate at high speed to remove tough stains, while the lift function allows safe movement onto carpets. With pre-sense LiDAR navigation and multi-floor mapping, the vacuum efficiently cleans multiple levels of your home. Number 3. Shark AV2501 AEAI Robot Vacuum. The Shark Robot Vacuum is designed to deliver powerful suction that effectively picks up dirt and debris from all types of floors. Its Matrix Clean navigation system moves in a precise grid pattern, ensuring multiple passes over dirty areas for deeper cleaning results. The self-emptying base can store dirt and debris for up to 60 days, reducing the need for frequent maintenance. A built-in HEPA filtration system captures and traps tiny dust particles and allergens, making it ideal for homes with pets. With 360-degree LiDAR mapping, the robot carefully scans your home to navigate around obstacles and furniture. Users can control cleaning schedules easily using voice commands through Alexa or Google Assistant. Number 4. Uninell Robot Vacuum. The UR3 Robot Vacuum offers powerful cleaning performance with a strong 7,000 Pascal cyclone suction system designed to capture dust, debris, and pet hair from both carpets and hard floors. Its large, self-emptying station stores dirt for up to 90 days, providing a truly hands-free cleaning experience. Using advanced 360-degree LiDAR navigation, the robot creates detailed multi-floor maps and avoids obstacles while cleaning efficiently. The device supports sweeping, vacuuming, and mopping in a single machine, allowing customizable cleaning for different rooms. With a long battery life that provides up to 180 minutes of runtime, it can clean large homes easily. Users can also control the robot through a smartphone app or voice assistants. Number 5. ILIFE V2 Robot Vacuum. The V2 Robot Vacuum Cleaner is a compact and efficient cleaning device designed for everyday home use. Its ultra-slim 2.99-inch design allows it to easily move under beds, sofas, and furniture to remove hidden dust and debris. The vacuum features a tangle-free suction port that helps collect pet hair without getting clogged, making it ideal for homes with pets. Multiple cleaning modes, including auto, spot, and edge cleaning, ensure full coverage across different areas of the house. Built-in infrared sensors help the robot detect obstacles and avoid stairs or drops. With up to 120 minutes of runtime and automatic recharging capability, the vacuum keeps your home clean with minimal effort. Product recommendation: when choosing a robot vacuum, focus on suction power, navigation technology, and battery life. Models with LiDAR mapping, obstacle detection, and self-emptying stations provide the most convenience. If you have pets or large homes, choosing a vacuum with strong suction and long runtime will ensure more effective and effortless cleaning. These were 5 powerful robot vacuum cleaners designed to simplify home cleaning. Check the description for product details and subscribe to the channel for more helpful technology reviews and smart home guides.